Hi everyone, welcome to Take Home Pen Pal. I'm Natalia, Enterprise Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make a little cute package for your family, friend, loved one, or pen pal. We'll be using a pen pal pack that you can get here at the Adult Services desk and a few items from home. You will need a glue stick, some pens, some colors, whatever you want to use. Scissors are not necessary, but they're useful, and then some stamps. You don't even need to go to the post office to mail this. You can just use a stamp. You can get stamps from USPS.com and have them delivered to your house. All right, let's get started. In your pen pal pack, you will find a large envelope-shaped paper, a blank postcard, a smaller envelope. This one already has the creases on it, so it'll be easy to fold. A bookmark, some strips of wool, washi tape, stickers, and paper cutouts. So, first step, let's fold our large envelope. It has little markings right here so that you can see where you need to fold on all four sides. So go ahead and fold the widest part with the nice side facing down. And use the little cut markings to make your crease. We'll do the same on the sides. Now we want to lift up the bottom part to go over the sides. We'll want to glue this down where it overlaps so that your envelope can stay secure. Go ahead and fold down the top part of the envelope, but don't glue that down as we want to leave that open. Now, feel free to decorate the outside of the envelope however you like. You can use stickers, pens, washi tape, whatever inspires you. Okay, let's put that one to the side and work on the bookmark. The bookmark already has a stamp on it, so feel free to color that in or add tape or other doodles that you want to decorate your bookmark and make it your own. Once you are done with your bookmark, we're going to add some tassels to it. So you should have 6 strips of wool. So take 2 at a time, and we're going to create a slip knot through these little holes at the top of the bookmark. Fold the wool strips in half, and then push them through towards the back of the bookmark. Also, feel free to decorate the back if you'd like. Now pull them through to create a slip knot at the top. So cute. Do the same with the next 2 triangular holes using 2 wool strips at a time. Push them through from the front towards the back. Try to keep them even. Okay, last one. All right, pull those tight, not too tight. Don't rip the top of the bookmark. And that's all done. You can trim them if you want them to even, but I kind of like them a little bit uneven. All right, our bookmark is all set. Let us go on to the next step. We're going to use our little envelope to send our friend some of these cute little cutouts. So we're going to use the creases and fold the largest part towards the top, and then the sides. Lift up the large part a little bit so that the sides can go underneath when we glue it down. And I use a little bit of glue to secure it. Now we've got a tiny little envelope. Okay. Remember that if you want to use some of these to decorate your postcard with, then you should save a couple. If not, go ahead and send whichever ones you want to your friend or your pen pal. All right, those are all in there. Now I'm going to seal my envelope with a sticker. And I like to label it. Oops. Maybe I'll add a little glue. Just like everything, feel free to decorate your envelope. Okay, when that one's done, set it to the side. Finally, let's work on our card. Okay, my card is done, so now we're going to put it all together. Open your envelope and go ahead and slide everything in. And you're all set. Thanks for watching today. I hope you enjoyed making this with me at Take Home Pen Pal. Don't forget to check out the rest of our virtual programming videos at our Library District's YouTube channel. See you next time.